Poke a stick at King Kong. Hold your pee in for much too long. Fall asleep when driving a car. Jumping into a pit of extremely hot tar. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Light a barbecue with too much petrol. Fall into a deep hole. Go as non-swimmer in a deep end pool. Fly a fly boat blindly and feel cool. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Stay in a ringing bell. Sometimes you don't just press hotels. Too much of a good thing is no bliss. Try to fix a TV while hearing gases. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Making a jetpack too fast can be hazardous. Choking on a bunch of milk seems quite horrendous. Blaster switch, a cycle killer might give a clue. I wonder what this question mark switch will do. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Insane ways to die. So many insane ways to die. Run around the forest during the hunting season. Try to stop a bus for no good reason. Eat a piece of fruit that has gone too nasty. Drink this tasty looking bottle of juice. Eat too much stuff that makes you sick and fat. They may not rhyme, but they're quite possibly the most insane ways to die. To die. Most insane ways to die.